Hello and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe.
However, it is generally not recommended to make money by taking on debt. Debt can be a burden that you need to pay back with interest, and it can become difficult to manage if you are not careful.
That being said, there are some ways to use debt strategically to potentially increase your income, such as
Invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. If you have a good understanding of the market, you can borrow money at a low interest rate and invest it in the market to earn a higher return. Start a business. You can use debt to start a business or expand an existing one. With careful planning and execution, a business can generate enough income to pay off the debt and provide additional income.
real estate investment. You can use debt to invest in real estate, such as buying rental properties or flipping houses. If done correctly, this can provide a source of income through rental income or capital gains.
However, it is important to note that all of these strategies involve some degree of risk, and you should carefully evaluate your financial situation and goals before taking on any debt.
It is also important to have a solid plan for how you will pay back the debt and manage the associated risks. It is recommended to seek advice from a financial advisor before making any significant financial decisions.
Additionally, it is important to note that taking on debt should not be the primary strategy to make money. It is generally better to focus on increasing your income through other means, such as starting a business or investing in stocks, rather than relying on debt. You should also prioritize paying off any existing debt before taking on additional debt. A good financial strategy involves balancing risk and reward and making informed decisions based on your personal financial situation and goals. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video on the Financial Breakthrough channel. See you on our next video.